Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a Benebone little kit of bones, and I'll show you guys what it comes with. It comes with all these bones here. So you've got a wood little twig bone here. This one here is like a little puller bone. I guess they can do that. This one here looks like a bone. It's like a wishbone, I think is what they call it. And then this one here is a fish. So check out all these here. You get a pack of 4, and it says it's true love. Like true love. And so here they have different, I guess, all of our shapes and flavors. So here's all the different ones here and what they all mean. I guess there's the stick, the Zagler, the fishbone, and the wishbone. Those are the ones that we have here. Those are the shapes. And I guess, I don't know what flavor they are. I don't know, they don't smell like much, but I don't know. We'll see if my little doggy likes them, but we'll go give them to her. So super cool. Thumbs up.